Hi guys, I know it's been so long, so this is going to be a very short one. I'll come back again with an update video and why I've been away for a whole year. So today I'm going to be making some sweet corn yellow rice. I know I have some yellow rice, a yellow rice recipe on the channel already. This is just an updated one. Well, you see an updated one. I would say it's just adding sweet corn. So for this, I'm going to be using rice, frozen sweet corn, turmeric, curry, onions, garlic, bay leaf. As you can see, frying the onion, garlic, and bay leaf in some oil, add in my turmeric and curry. You can reduce the amount of turmeric you use if you want, but that's up to you. So once the onion and curry and the turmeric is fragrant, I just go in with my rice. Again, I store my rice in the freezer, so I usually just keep the washing with some of my things, but it's very optional. Please wash your rice. So once the rice goes in, I stir it until everywhere is bright yellow like this. And I go in with my water. So once that's in, we add our salt and black pepper. And then our frozen corn. I defrosted it and then set it aside. So yeah, that's why it looks like that. So I don't even know why I wanted to do sweet corn rice, but it was nice, Mom. Trust me. So because I'm lazy, I transferred it from the pot into my rice cooker, and yeah, it was done. So once I finished it, I added my stew, my salad, and my kelewele, and enjoyed it with my family. Thanks for watching, guys.